FMCG major Britannia and Colgate stock surged in today's trading session. This after both companies reported a decent set of first quarter numbers. While Britannia net profit beat estimates, Colgate's volume growth at 6% was better than the street was expecting. Mangalam Maloo joins in now for more details. Mangalam, good set of numbers, but take us to the fine print. There were some hiccups there as well across the board.
Crisp quarter for Britannia is what I would say. In fact, the stock had a good day in trade today. Total income growth of 9% in line with our estimates. The margins were down 110 basis points, but that was baked in the cake primarily because the raw material prices like wheat, sugar as well as cashew have risen year on year. There was a higher other income component which further aided the net profit, which came in higher than our estimates at a 13% growth. The management said that going forward, good monsoons and 7th pay commission will revive demand sentiment. Other than that, they initiated a combination of price increases as well as cost efficiency measures, and it was some weakness in the international business that weighed in on their numbers. So in that respect, standalone numbers were important to watch out for, and there we had a revenue growth of 9%, but the margins actually increased by nearly 120 basis points at 15.7%, and that is where the key positive came in. As far as Colgate is concerned, stronger, whiter, shinier is what I would say, aided by higher ad expenditure. Two key positives. One, volume growth at 6%, as the trend would show, is higher than at least the last 5 quarters and is an encouraging sign. And secondly, the toothpaste market share grew marginally as far as sequential market share growth is concerned. Remember, last quarter was the lowest as far as market share is concerned in the last 12 quarters. So since there, an improvement in their market share is definitely an encouraging sign. Total income growth of 12.5% was above our estimates of about 8.5% growth. The margins came in lower by about 150 basis points, but that is primarily because the company increased its advertising expenditure. Net profit growth at 9% was also a positive, but the most important thing is the announcement of a launch of the Ayurvedic toothpaste Sibaka Ved Shakti, which will compete with the likes of Patanjali as well as Dabur.
All right, Mangalam, thanks.